What's up, y'all? It is your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome back to another hair video. I have a quick and easy one for you today. We are going to be installing a U-part unit from Alipearl. Unit comes in this bag like this. Inside, of course, you get your U-part wig. Along with the unit, they send over an edge brush, a wig cap, a band to go around your edges to just hold everything in place. They also sent an elastic band. This is another scarf to go around your edges, and they sent over a pair of lashes. This unit is 100% human hair. It's 18 inches long and the density is 180%. So this is what the unit looks like. It's the kinky texture hair, and in the inside you have your clips. So you have 4 clips along the parting, and then another one right here in the back. So the security is definitely there. You have clips on the side of the wig right here, and you also have an elastic band. You have another clip in the back of the wig, like underneath the bottom right here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get my hair right. So I shampooed my hair last night and I just put in some plaits. So it just air dried overnight. The feel of this hair is definitely soft. It's definitely giving my hair blown out, like my natural hair blown out.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall. Running in search of the remedy. Trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away. Drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself. On the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand.
This is the finished look. It looks so natural. It just looks like I've blown my hair out. I did slick my edges back a little bit and I added the eyeshadow. You guys saw that. Simply because my edges are a little, you know, on a thinner side. So I wanted them to match the fullness and the thickness of the hair. So I filled in like the little sparse areas just to make it look more fuller. So you can just take some eyeshadow. They have like, I think like hair fillers or something you can get for your edges, but just use some eyeshadow, girl. I do want to say you can do a lot with U-part wigs if you want to, you know, do like a little half up, half down situation. You can definitely do that, and especially when my edges grow back longer and it's able to, like, you know, blend in more, because you can kind of see where my edges are short right here, but for the most part it still looks good. But you can definitely rock a style like this, like off of your face. So you can get creative with it, and you can also do like some a high up ponytail. But the fact that this is a little too big for me, it makes it a little harder. So this is 180% density. The thickness is there. It's definitely there, and the thickness goes all the way down to the end. So it's not like a unit where, you know how sometimes you can get hair and it's thick and then when you get to the ends it goes thinner. No, it's full all the way down. The unit blends well with my hair, which that is something I'm always looking for. And I feel like with this texture hair, it's gonna blend well with your hair, just because this is like my natural texture. So I didn't go in with I didn't go in with the flat irons too much. You can still see some of the crinkles. I will say I should have sized down with the cap size. I did get a medium, and I could have definitely went for a small, because I have the adjustable straps strapped tight, but it's still big in the back. So I would definitely need a size small in this. So if you're looking at my head size and you're like, okay, like we have almost the same head size, you would definitely probably need to size down as well. But that is it, girl. Thank you to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. I will have everything linked down below if you are looking for a new unit where you want to leave some of your hair out, you want that more natural look. And I believe it comes in different lengths as well. But if you're looking for something, like I just said, definitely check out Alipearl. The quality of the hair is it is soft. You can definitely run your fingers through it, have minimal shedding. I feel like shedding, you're gonna get that with any units. I have not experienced a unit where I had zero shedding, but I will say the shedding was minimal. But yeah, girl, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.